So welcome to this channel IBMI classes. Uh, in this video session, I will explain about CHG var command in CL programming. So first thing is CHG var command. That is the change variable command. So what it does, it is actually same behaves same as the assignment operator in RPG language or in other languages. So which is actually did uh, evaluate from right hand side thing to the left hand side variable. So right hand side thing can be a value, can be expression or a variable itself or a constant. So this is the thing actually what chgvar command does in CL programming. So I'll explain about chgvar command, um, and how we can use this with a logical character or decimal um, type data variables. Sure. Now just come and see what it does. I just written few points here about cgvar command so that you will be getting a brief idea of cgvar command and how you can use these things with different types of variables like logical, character or decimal. So whatever I written here, I'll be giving the demo later in this example itself as a program. So what we can do with the chgvar change variable command, so it just assign a new value to a variable. Suppose I assigned abcd to a character variable. So now character variable will be having value abcd. After that I assigned a. Now the value will be a. So what it does, it first clear the value to all blanks, then assign the new value. So this is the function of this change variable command. So how it does, let's see. Change variable command is equivalent to assignment operator from RPG or other programming languages. Yeah, as so other thing is, what are the parameters in this command? So this command has two parameters. First is a variable which is at the left hand side, and the second one is a value which is at the right hand side. So assigning the value to the variable from the right hand side to the left hand side. So now we'll be talking about the value. So what types of value we can give to a variable? Either a single value which can be a constant, say for character a, for character constant suppose a, or you can say a variable and a, or we can give the expression here also. So what expression, suppose we have given an expression, so first thing will be happened is that expression will be evaluated or calculated, you can say first, and then the result which is come out of that expression will be assigned to the variable in the left hand side. So this is the um, main thing behind this change variable command. Now we'll talk about the variable. There are two parameters. First is the value and the second is first is the variable and second is the value. So we talked about value. Now we'll talk about variable and what values will be assigned to those variables. Now this, say this is the first thing is the logical variable. Suppose for example we took logical variable. So in what logical variable will contain either 1 or 0, means either true or false. Except these values we cannot assign any other values to the logical variable. That's correct. Now we can also assign the expression which will result in either true or false. So if the expression results in other than 0 or 1, means other than true or false, that is wrong. Sure, we'll get the error. So we can have either 1 or 0 value, or the expression which results in the true or false, or a variable as well. So that variable will be having 1 or 0 value. Sure. This is now comes to the character constant variable. So for character variable, what we can do is we can either assign a character value to it or we can assign a decimal value to it. So we can assign both type of values to the character variable. So what happens in this case, variable is first cleared, mean all the positions will become blank first, then the new value will be assigned. So if suppose you are assigning a character value to the character variable, so it will be directly assigned to the character variable. But if you are assigning a decimal value to the character variable, then what happens, first that decimal value will be converted into the character value internally, and then assign that value to the character variable. So this is the thing which happens in the character variable, and the value is assigned to the character variable, either character or decimal. Now for the variable, if variable is decimal suppose, so in that case what happens, value, in this case also the value can be a character or decimal. But what happens in this case, all the positions will become zero first, means in character all the positions will become blank first, then the new value will be assigned. But in this case, all the positions will become zero first, then the new value will be assigned to the decimal variable. So suppose if a character value is assigned to a decimal variable, what happens, so that character value must be having 0 to 9 digits, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, or an optional sign, say plus or minus. Decimal point, we can have decimal point in the uh, character value, or we can have the comma in the character value which is assigned to the decimal variable. Now suppose if we are assigning the decimal value to the uh, decimal variable, then the assigned value will be aligned, automatically aligned with the decimal mark. So this is the whole thing which happened um, when we are using change variable command with different types of variables like logical, or say character or decimal. So I have written a simple program below, and we'll be explaining this by debugging this program. So first I'll compile the program so that you will get the better picture of the change variable command with the different types of variables. So I've compiled using debug view. Now we'll debug this program, CLPGM 9C. Okay. Now we will set the breakpoint at line number 1. Now we will call the program call CLPGM 9C. Press enter. Now the program execution is at first line, which is pgm command. Now we can just go above. We have declared one logical variable which is of length 1 and type star logical. Sure. So we have taken another variable character or star cal type length 20. We have taken third variable as decimal so that we can give you the demo. We can have the demo of these three variables with change var command. Start decimal with the start AC type length 4 comma 2, means the value can be 22 comma 22.22 or 20, like this one. So in this case 2 decimal places will be there in the value. So I took another variable id of length 40, so the value will be always 4444 like this one. So there is no decimal place in this case. So value I have assigned is 45 during the declaration, and the name character length 10 IB my class 2 id2 of type character and value is 012. So these are the variables which I took, which I will be evaluating these logical character decimal variable to give you the demo of what I told these above concepts with the variables. Now just see, currently it is by default as 0. Now just after execution of this line the value is 1. So in logical type variable and logical, I have evaluated the value 1 using change var. So this is a constant expression here. Now this has 0 value. This is also a constant value. Sure, it's constant single value. Now I have assigned an expression there. So id is greater than 0. What is the value of id? Id is 45. So it is greater than 0. So the logical, currently it is 0. After execution of this line the value will be 1 because the result is true. id is greater than 0, which is 45. Now the second thing is id is greater than 49. No, this is 45, so the result will be false. So now logical variable will become 0. Correct. Now this is the usage of CHG var with logical variables. How we can assign the value to the logical variable as a single constant value or an expression which results in either true or false. Sure. Now usage of CHG var with character variable. So first thing I did, character is blank. Now character variable is having value IBMI class 1, which is assigned as a single constant. Now this is having hello, because I already told you that first all the values, all the positions of that value will be cleared, then the value will be assigned to the variable. Sure. So now the value is having hello, value is hello in character variable. After that what I did, I concatenated the value ABCD and EFGH. Now the character variable is having value ABCD EFGH. So this is an expression. Sure. So we can also write using like this. So same way, F11 LMNO PQRS, which is correct. Now I have assigned the variable and name is having value IBMI class 2. Sure. Now character is having value IBMI class 2. So these are the different ways through which we can assign a value to a character variable, using the constants, using the expressions. So using the constant means using the character constant, using the character expressions, using the variable name. Now concatenating the variables with the formation of expression. Take F10. Now this is having the value IBMI class 2, which is correct. And character, now assigning the decimal values to the character. So what it becomes, it is assigned from the right side. So left places would have the 0 values in itself. Sure. This is the way. So what I told earlier, that the decimal places will be aligned automatically. Now concatenating 0 1 and 2 3. So 0 1 2 3, because this is a character. Sure. Now id is having value 45 00445. So character is having value 45 plus 1.2. so plus sign will be removed from this because this is the character value, and 1.2 will be appended here. Sure. Minus 12.5. so minus sign will be always be there in the data, because if we not put a sign in the value, that by default denote that this is a positive value. So if in case there is a negative value, then the minus sign will always be there in the character value. So what happens here, the decimal value first converted to the character and then assigned to the character variable. This is the case. You can see in the demo. of CG variable command. Now 3 comma 5, so this means 3.5. Let's see. So the decimal value first converted to the character and then assigned to the character variable. So these are the ways through which the values can be assigned to a character variable. So I've talked about the logical character, and now now turn comes to the decimal variable. So usage of CGVAR with decimal variables. Take F10. Decimal variable will be having value 01.20 because and decimal is of 4 comma 2, means 20.20 can be a value. So 1.2, so 01.20 is the value here. 53.00, that's correct. Now ID is having value 0045, so decimal will be having value 45.00. Now plus 53.9, 53.90, that's correct. Now this is a character variable. Let's see, 12.00, that's always be a digit. Minus 52, minus 52.00, that's correct. So sign will always be there, minus sign will always be there if that comes in the value. 5 comma 8, 5.80. So these are the different ways through which we can assign the values to the logical, character or decimal type variables using the change variable command. So this is the whole complete demo of the change variable command with character, decimal or logical variables, and yeah, that's more than enough, I think, for the change variable command. So one can have the expertise in this command. So that's all. Thank you using this video, so one can have the expertise in the change variable command. So thank you and have a nice time. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and have a nice time.